What's up, y'all? Bill C, 2020. I'm doing my version of a mix for James Lugo's On and On. This episode isn't so much of a tutorial, but actually a listen through. I put my static together without effects and without automation. Your static mix is when you can play the whole song down and you like it well enough, but you know you want to do more to it, such as adding automation or effects. What I wanted to point out here is the importance of your 2-bus compressor if you're using one. The 2-bus compressor holds the whole song together, so depending on how it moves, you can get totally different sounds of a song. I'm using the SSL Duende. Normally I use the UAD SSL. The difference supposedly being the UAD SSL is emulating the 4000 and the Duende is emulating the 9000. The UAD, for lack of a better term, is more choppy and the Duende has more flow to it. So the main difference in the way I use the two of them is in the release. On the UAD I use it on the fastest release all the way to the left, and on the Duende I use it on auto all the way to the right. The point here being that both compressors start to sound different after the needle gets above 4 decibels of compression. So I still have more to do here, but this is the static mix of James Lugo's On and On.
Seemed like your world had come undone, just like my broken heart. I know you're scared and reeling, but I am torn apart. Feel my pain, on and on, on and on. All I
Shout out James Lugo. Shout out Johnny Wooten. Bill C. 2020, I'm out.